A long, long time ago, in the frostbitten mountains of Hokkaido, an old villager whispered a sacred truth. The softer the mash, the warmer the soul. And today, we honor that wisdom with one humble root, the Japanese sweet potato. Creamy, buttery, and dangerously addictive. Let's get started. Steam the potatoes for about 20 minutes, or bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. The thing is, I'm lazy, so I just decided to steam it. Cut them in half and scoop out the potato. Using a spoon, make small indents along the edge to easily separate the potato from the skin. Add an unhealthy amount of butter and a splash of cream. Then season with a bit of salt and pepper. Mix and mash with a fork, or a masher if you have one. At this point, it's ready to eat, but here at Ding Ding Kitchen, we always take it a step further. Put it in a food processor and blend until smooth. Carefully place it back into the skin. Add just a few grains of sugar and torch it for that beautiful charred caramelized top. If you don't have a torch, just broil it in the oven. And you might be thinking, wow, that's not healthy at all. No one ever said it would be. I even included a disclaimer in the beginning. Balance? Never met her, never will. Do I regret it? Every time. But I run 26.2 miles every time I want to eat one of these. And I'll do it again and again and again because it's so damn good. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.